The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are
Good
in
morning, this is
listen-only
Jonathan
mode.
Blaze at the National Weather Service in Raleigh with the routine weekly, monthly weather briefing for Central North Carolina. We'll be looking at the weather for the next week running through this weekend on December 22nd. So let's just hop to the weather. The weather pattern for the upcoming week, starting with today, will feature a frontal system that extends across Virginia into West Virginia and then down across the Tennessee and Mississippi River valleys. A low pressure area across the Tennessee Valley and that cold front will push east during the next 24 to 48 hours. And that will spread an area of showers and even a few embedded thunderstorms across central North Carolina, beginning very late tonight and then continuing on Tuesday and then moving offshore on Tuesday night. The weather system will, as it departs, will result in some quieter and fair weather thanks to high pressure that will build into the region on Wednesday and continue into Thursday and Friday. That high pressure system will bring a cooler air mass with below normal temperatures. For this weekend, a low pressure area is expected to develop across the Gulf of Mexico and move near the southeast. The origins of that storm system are actually just expected to move into California beginning on Tuesday and Wednesday. So that system is well off in the Pacific as of this morning. So it's going to take several days, many days for that system to move across the Rockies, the Gulf Coast, and then off toward the southeast. So there's a lot of time for us to monitor that weather system. However, there is a chance that some light precipitation on the northern fringe of that low pressure area and upper level disturbance could interact with a lingering chilly air mass and potentially produce some light wintry precipitation somewhere in our region. At this point, it looks like some light rain is the most likely scenario, but we'll be monitoring that over the next several days. This is nothing in terms of getting too worried about and not a weather pattern that typically favors significant winter weather impacts in our area, but we'll be monitoring that. Looks like the best chance of any kind of wintry precip might be on Saturday morning, but again, that's subject to a lot of change between now and then. Looking at the thunderstorm potential, we have some showers that'll move across the Appalachians tonight and into the western Piedmont on the overnight hours late tonight into early Tuesday morning. Those showers and a few embedded thunderstorms will push east across central North Carolina during the day on Tuesday, with the best chance of thunderstorms probably during the afternoon and early evening, with all the precipitation ending from west to east during the afternoon and evening hours. The greatest severe weather threat will be just to our south and west across portions of the Tennessee Valley and deep south in Alabama, Georgia, even Tennessee, where some strong to severe thunderstorms are possible. But it looks like the amount of instability in our area will be just limited enough to thwart any kind of strong to severe thunderstorms. But we're very close in terms of the margins there, so we'll be keeping a close eye on that during the next 24 hours. Looking at precipitation potential, we expect mainly dry weather for today, obviously, with clear skies and fair weather. But some showers will again move across the mountains later on tonight and may spill into the western Piedmont after midnight. Fairly good coverage in terms of showers on Tuesday, although it won't be raining for the whole day, and there will be some breaks with the best chance of showers and even an embedded thunderstorm, primarily during the afternoon hours. As that weather system moves offshore, dry weather is expected for Wednesday as well as Thursday and Friday. And then again this weekend, some uncertainty or a good deal amount of uncertainty with our storm system that will be moving across the deep south and off the southeast coast. Looks like the more significant precipitation associated with that system will be down in terms of the deep south in southern Georgia, Alabama, and Florida, and we'll just be on the fringes of that. Rainfall totals for the next 7 days will probably average around a half inch. A few locations may approach an inch, but the greatest rainfall amounts still, for the most part, fairly light on the order of a half inch to an inch, with the rainiest weather day expected during the upcoming week on Tuesday. A quick summary for the weather for today through the weekend. We expect dry weather today and most of tonight. There's a chance of a shower or two moving in from the west late tonight after midnight. More numerous showers are expected on Tuesday. A thunderstorm is possible mainly during the afternoon and early evening. The best rain chances, again, will be during the afternoon on Tuesday, and it'll be warm and a little bit muggy, perhaps even, with highs moving well through the 60s and even some 70s possible to the south and east of Raleigh on Tuesday. Behind that system, fair and dry weather is expected with below normal temperatures for Wednesday through Friday, and the next weather system will approach us and skirt by probably to our south on Saturday and Saturday night. Precipitation chances at this point look limited, but with some cold air lingering in the area, we'll keep an eye out for any wintry precipitation potential. But at this point, looks like the amounts will be light, and the confidence in that is quite low. 7-day rainfall totals will range around a half inch to as much of an inch in a few locations. Our warmest weather day this week will be on Tuesday, the coldest day on Thursday with highs only in the 40s, and our most uncertain weather day is on Saturday. That's it for our weekly weather briefing. Thanks for listening. And again, if you need anything, you can visit us at weather.gov/Raleigh. We're available online 24 hours a day. Thanks for listening and have a good day.